YouTube. I am Stephanie Garcia, and I am here to give you 3 tips about how I stay organized. So if you're new to my channel and you haven't been here before, then I'm going to tell you I'm the founder of Mio Retail, which is an online general merchandise store, and I also work full-time as a bookkeeper and go to school full-time studying accounting. So that's how I'm going to be able to tell you what I do or what I use to stay organized. So the first tip I'm going to say is that I'm taking 4 classes. So the first tip is to color coordinate things. So I have a notebook and a folder that match, that are for one class. So that's my first tip, is to color coordinate things. So my second tip, number 2, is to schedule blocks of time to focus on one thing. Now, I haven't really done it, but I'm working on it. I do have a schedule that I work off of to try to keep me organized as far as what I should be doing. Like tonight, I am working on tax accounting because tomorrow I need to work on intermediate accounting. So my tip number 2 is to schedule blocks of time and stay focused on that. Okay, my last and final tip is to wait for it. It's coming. It was right there. Hold on. My last and final tip is to stay focused. When you are trying to be organized, you need to stay focused, super laser focused. It's hard to when you have multiple things going on, but as long as you stay focused, you can get it done. So a part of this last tip of staying focused, a way to stay focused, is to make a to-do list. Write down what you need to do and then do them. Don't try to do all of them at once. Focus on one at a time, cross it off, and that will definitely help you stay focused and organized and get everything done that you need to do. But anyways, those were my 3 tips for staying organized. 1 was to color coordinate things. 2 was to write a schedule. And 3 was to focus / make a to-do list. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, opinions, hate slurs, no hate slurs, leave a comment below. I'd greatly appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.